Jackson's gone crazy. He's after me, I tell you. Jacob, really? Don't kill me!
Our unexpected victim. She's hiding behind the fridge door. She came up, Jacob's got a shot, and he didn't take it. Now the freezer, he can't shoot her right now. He hit the freezer. Jacob, why did you hit the freezer?
I did it, I hit her leg.
Quick reload, we're making a video here. I don't have time for
That's it. I'm going in.
Just go up and finish her off.
Darn it, Jackson, how'd all the ice cream go?
Be finished.
Did you eat it all? Did you eat it all?
There seems to be no effect.
We might have to make a part 2 for this beast.
Ah!